That's the Green Star technology. It turns off by itself, and it'll turn on by itself. 1,500 gallon water tank, high pressure reel in the back, and tank dump. Ladder storage on top, and hose storage. This is a drop tank, and storage underneath. Two crosslays in compartments on the side, and an intake and a discharge on the side. The cab has a third seat, so it does fit 3 specific people. Two of the seats have air pack indentations in them, or openings. The front bumper is a high pressure nozzle. It's remote control from the cab.